In this video, you will see how to add secondary axis title and improve the overall look of the graph in Excel Mac. It's very easy. First, what you need to do is select the data. After selecting, go to the Insert tab and then select the type of the graph you want. After selecting the graph, as you can see, this is not a good looking graph compared to this one. First, we will add secondary axis and secondary title. So to add secondary axis, click on the data that you want on secondary axis. I want this data. After clicking, right click and you will see here the option of Format Data Series. Click on this option and now under the Plot Series On, select the option Secondary Axis and close this box. Now as you can see, we do not have axis titles and this legend is at the bottom. So first we will move this legend to the top by clicking on Format Legend option and then select the option Top. Now to add axis titles, click on the graph. Under the Chart Design option, you will see here at the left hand side, Add Chart Element. Click on it and you will see the option of Axis Title. Just select the last option, Secondary Vertical, and similarly we will select the option Primary Horizontal and Primary Vertical. Just click inside the text box and type what you want. After entering the text, click on the graph, then go to the Home tab and then select the font color black, then make it bold, and personally I like Times New Roman bold as a font. And now there is one more issue. This graph has an outer gray border. So if you don't want this outer gray border, just click on the graph, right click and go to Format Chart Area. Under the borders, select the option No Line. And as you can see, the gray border around the graph is now removed. You can resize the graph by dragging it like this. And if you want this graph to be of a specific size, then double click on the graph, go to the Format tab, and here you will see the option of height and width. So for example, I am entering here 4 by 4, and after entering the height and width, it will be applied to the graph. So if you have multiple graphs, you can easily resize them to get the same size graphs. In this way, you can add secondary axis in Excel on Mac and improve the graph quality. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Excel on Mac quickly. See you again in the next one.